Hey everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining me. I am doing a Botanica coloring page by Maria Thoreau, and it is an absolute pleasure to have you once again. I'm Tracy, and if you do not know me, and it is definitely time for us to take our ordinary coloring page and turn it into something magical. I'm using the Castle 120 premium soft lead, and I am liking these so far. My desire is to color this bird not into a block form, but to give it layers. So I'm using at least 4 different shades to create layers and to bring some feathers out into this bird. So I'm hoping that this technique is something that you like and would like to try for yourself in your project. So I'm using at least 4 different shades here, gray, a little bit of a purple, deep blue, and I'm trying to create a bird that has feathers with at least 3 different layers. So a base color of gray, then I did some feathers with blue, and then like single strokes, and then I also added a little bit of gray and a brown. It's more like a cadmium reddish kind of a brown. That's what it looks like. And then I added some blue, so 2 different shades of blue, gray, and a brown. I'm also doing strokes, so make sure you have a sharpener handy so you can sharpen your tips to do the feathers, like fine feathers, that if you want to. You can do it in detail, or you can just quickly do it sparse. I tried a little bit of both, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I kind of did it a little bit faster and not spend a whole lot of time on creating every single stroke to perfection for the bird's feather. So if you would like, you can take your time. There's no rush. It is your project. But I just thought of showing you that you can take line art and create feathers to it and make it into a not so much like a real bird, because we're not painting, but we're trying to create the illusion with the feathers, using the strokes to create the feathers. All right, so if you like this, please use it in your project, and thanks for watching the rest. Please remember to check out my Kofi page. I am actually working on a book. Yes, I'm also trying to illustrate a book. It is more like a little comic book, but just wanting to see if I can actually create it, and I will have that review for you as soon as possible. So if you've missed me, thank you. It's just because I was working on a project, behind the scenes project. So thank you once again to all my lovely subscribers for being on this creative art coloring journey with me. I hope you have grown leaps and bounds just like myself, and that my tutorial, my contents are able to actually inspire you to create magical pieces and to inspire others as well. Thank you very much once again, and see you for another review sometime soon. Ciao, ciao.